My name is Michael, and I own a paper company. But you don't care. You care for who I've become. So let me tell you, it was a rainy day, and all of my employees went home for the day, and I'm still here, finishing late assignments and stapling together reports. Fun. It's my job. It's too quiet.
It was early morning yesterday. I was up before the dawn. So we must be moving.
Sir, may I help you? If you don't back up now, I'm gonna have to call the cops, sir. Please leave. This was the moment in my life that changed everything. Whoa, man, are you like the Flash or something? That was really fast. Oh man, that hurt. What do you want?
What do you think I want? I want exactly what you had. I want a simple life. But now it's time to pass it on to you. You are the chosen stapler man. Now beg for mercy.
Okay, Dwight, I know it's you. I thought you went home already, but hey, I really like the hat. It looks really nice on you. Do you get it at the Goodwill down the road?
I told him to beg for mercy.
It was early morning yesterday. I was up before the dawn. And I really have enjoyed my stay. Toby must be moving on.
Goodbye, Toby. It's been nice. Hope you find your paradise.
Come tomorrow, feel no pain. Feel no pain. Toby! 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 Toby's going away! See ya! He's out of here! See ya! He's out of here! Oh! Goodbye, Toby! Goodbye, Toby! Goodbye, Toby! Goodbye, Toby!
Oh shoot! I forgot to do my paperwork. Paperwork. I need to do my paperwork. Paperwork. Oh my God! I'm the stapler man!